Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zoom Video Communications, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type zoom.us and press enter. Once on the Zoom homepage, locate the Sign Up, It's Free button in the upper right corner. If you already have an account, click on Sign In instead. To create a new account, fill in your email address and click Sign Up. Check your email for a verification link from Zoom. Click on the link to verify your email address. You will be redirected back to Zoom's website. Now, complete the required fields to set up your profile. Once your profile is set up, navigate to the Resources section at the top of the page. Click on Download Zoom Client from the drop-down menu. On the Downloads page, look for the Zoom Client for Meetings option. Click the Download button next to it. Wait for the installation file to download to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts provided by the installation wizard. After the installation is complete, open the Zoom application. You will see options to sign in or join a meeting. If you previously created an account, click Sign In and enter your credentials. If you do not have an account, select the Join a Meeting option to participate without signing in. To start a meeting, click on the New Meeting button. Select your preferred audio and video settings before inviting participants. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Zoom and are ready to use it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.